Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn some basic steps of drawing a rose very easily. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Now let's start drawing. So at first you need to take a piece of paper. I am using a Cartridge paper here. You can use any paper which is handy for you. Next I'll be using this 8B pencil for drawing and a blending stump for shading. So on your paper, draw a small oval at the center. Draw another one a little bit bigger than the previous one and make sure they are connected at one point. Now wobble another oval out here. So these are the three basic ovals that you should start with. From here I am going to draw the petals that are going to surround the center bud. After that, draw a curved line like a wave. From there, we are going to add petals so that it will look like a full rose. Don't worry if your petals don't exactly look same like mine, just keep adding petals in your own way. Now I'm going to draw two leaves. You can add more if you want. These leaves are pretty pointy. So we basically have our rose shape. Now all we have to do is shading, for which I'm going to use this small blending stump. As the petals are folded outwards, make the inner parts of the flower darker. So this is about it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.